Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. Ezugwu Chukwudi and Nkubi inside studio, and we also get our ogbonge visitor, the CEO of Bube's Pap. They call her entrepreneur based on the business when she they do. Other people they call her Mwanya Akamu based on saying Akamu business. And she talks say okay, make she package them well, they do them. And on top of AS E DEY HOT today, we discuss Naija economy. Any hope for business people? We check whether business people inside Nigeria, based on the factors when we say they cause logjam or traffic inside Nigeria economy, whether they will survive at all. And we don't discuss the problems we they face. We also discuss moving forward. Two very important things: road so that we go fit transport, and power so that person no go they invest in money on top of say in they spend money money when they supposed to use do the business, in go they spend them to they buy diesel or use and they buy fuel. Now the question we go ask now and say, now we don't check now small businesses. You know they bad say this person when they do business, you and this person will start together, or you know when it starts, then all of a sudden he can't lock in shop. You know if you do, you know they do anything again. And when you ask him, go to say, my brother, business no they okay. But you know say this person and person when we say in they work hard. If opportunity, not be in fault. If opportunity they go do and well. Now how business people inside Obodo Nigeria, whether they do the same thing or more just say okay, people they do business, whether big or small, they go feel join together so that as a unit they go be force. When we say they look government, say, okay, government to do this thing like this so that you go help us, or we go feel support you like this so that the thing go better.
Okay. We know say, you know, when you join forces, either which way, you know, it's better, right, than singular effort, individual effort. Now, economists get what they call capital expenditure and operating expenses. Operating concern you. Capital too concern you. But let's just imagine a scenario where government builds something like an industrial layout. I don't know if now waiting them get for mind where, you know, in most states you get in industrial areas. If government, what do you need for factory? Shaping and space. If government use themselves, build, say on a couple of hectares, then all of us now, we're in our small businesses where they struggle to build our own structure, struggle to do this one. That
or
money,
parents,
you understand? That money, you know, government fee they lease the place per square meter or per whatever. Anyhow, where they want.
Exactly.
20 years.
According to the space where you want.
Where you want. So now instead of me now going to buy one plot of land, where go cost me million. Meanwhile, what I need now only 20 square meters, but because you know get where I go buy land of 20 square meters, I am forced to buy one plot
of land.
Then constantly put the business on top 20 square meters. Because really to make money at the end of the day is how do you utilize assets where you get. So if government get that kind of thing and then I just come there, rent my small space, just use they do business without investing so much in building, you know, at the start. I think say that one go help. So if they put that kind of thing now, if they decide they give the place power.
Yes, all the resources where you need. Knowing
that either which way is for the benefit of the nation, you know, collectively.
Yes.
And I believe competition is healthy. So if I know that they do my account there, another person they do it own, either with better standard. Not necessarily about copying the idea. We're not talking about the idea now, but we're talking about the product at the end of the day in terms of meeting, you know, international standards. Make we feed the export now, they make this forex where they talk. Because now be part of the diversification.
Very true.
Diversification is not, okay, make everybody they plant whatever for in backyard, then you know make money for the country. You understand? At the end of the day, now make we free exporter and then make we get money. See the other time we export beans, story bean day, all those kind of funny things. So if I look my neighbor, say, this is my neighbor, they do your own better pass me. I will go back and put on my thinking.
And I don't know where you did when President Muhammadu Buhari the Prime Minister. Because I don't know as you do like you are my minister for
it's not the open eyes for me. We have the caller.
Oga Sule, they call us all the way from Katsina. Oga Sule, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Sule. Will you hear you continue? Yes.
Yeah, I've been watching your program. And what I'll say here is that Chukwudi, God bless you.
Thank you very much, Oga Sule.
God bless you.
Amen, Oga Sule.
How do you hear you?
And if I have the chance of seeing you, I will damage you completely.
You what?
He said go damage Oga Sule.
Hey, you don't need that level now.
Completely.
Oga Sule, what have I done to deserve this?
He said go lift you. Oga Sule.
Because the way this economy is moving, wallahi, tallahi,
Okay, so don't take a pass now, no vex. We believe the economy go dey good.
We are suffering.
Oga Sule, make I ask you a question now. Now, for inside Kaduna, where una dey so now, and people where they do business, how you go take, which if they ask you, say, okay, give advice to government, what think government go do to you support people when they do business for Kaduna, where they call us from so?
Oga, even you give advice. This government is not the government that you advise or anything. It's only God that intervenes. Nkubi, you are laughing at me. God will intervene.
Oga Sule, thank you very much.
We'll get another caller.
We get Oga Polycarp all the way from Enugu. Oga Polycarp, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Yeah, so they hear you.
Good morning, Mrs. Ijeoma.
Thank you. Good morning.
Oga
for Nigeria.
Oga Polycarp, make I ask you, how business for Enugu they go?
Business is bad though. Because the roads became worse every day. Even last night, one trailer that was carrying bags of beans and everything, when he was trying to maneuver one gun up in front of near to my shop, his man couldn't control himself and ran backwards and smashed into my friend's shop. The trailer is still there now. I something happened about 3 days ago. So now I think the state of roads in Enugu, especially Enugu is in general. Just like Ijeoma Ndukwe-Egwuronu, road is one of the things
high points where they affect the economy. Yeah.
If you produce this thing from north, maybe it's not, and not this thing is carried, and Kano they come down here. Then maybe this thing they coming from Kano and going to Enugu main market or Naija. And this will come for just a few kilometers to the place where they go. How it's not good now, because we have better road than what we have now. Somebody come and shop yesterday, talk say, Dangote say he could build the concrete road for us. So which one the concrete road? Then I be the best road. I say people use the cement to do the concrete for the whole roads for Nigeria. More. There is hope for Nigeria.
Yes,
if we not going to depend too much on oil. Because I remember before the advent of oil, granules, they came from Kano. We have granules there. We have rice and skin from the north. Coconut nut and cocoa from the west.
In fact, Nigeria they blessed when it comes to this particular agricultural sector.
And you see one thing, Nigeria said not to manage their things well. Because when Malaysia come to Nigeria, they see our palm canals. They took the palm mortgages and go to their place. And go to develop it now.
Very true. Oga Polycarp, we appreciate this your important contribution. And we will emphasize on one thing when you talk. You talk, say, Nigeria, learn to manage your things well. We get Oga Lawrence. Oga Lawrence, they call us from Lagos. Oga Lawrence, thank you for your patience. Welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Okay, Chukwudi.
I greet you, Oga Lawrence.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Lawrence.
Greet Nkubi for me. So they greet them.
We greet you, Oga Lawrence.
Okay. The thing I want to contribute, you say, this kind of thing where they happen for Nigeria, make them stop the blame the past government. Make them put something on the ground. Show us, say, the change where we vote for. Say we they see them. If they not like, they won't do. Make them do like, say not like, them do for 2 years or a year. If they not load, the road they won't do. Make them do one thing, say they don't come. Say we do. Say we they expect change. Make them do one thing, say they don't change from the past government. That's why they go to talk. Like my man go to talk, say everything they pipeline, everything they pipeline. Now the time where everything go bust, the pipeline go bust. Now we go survive. Make them put one thing on ground. Tell us say okay now light because people when they get say now light. All as if the talk said they come for they produce the factory closed. It's because of life. This will take 200 naira. How person go they buy this with 200? They pay workers. It's not go close.
Yes.
Let them put it's in a light, them put. All these things what will they do? We go they save small money from that or diesel where will they buy? Now I they buy fuel 145. Every night I must put generator. Calculate them if I they put them 2 liters every day for my house. For 1 month, how much it go be? How much I they earn? Now the light be the problem. Make them stop all these things. That while minister say then go do them. How then go they increase money for the light where we know they see? If they put the light, say light don't they even 12 hours. Tell us say we go to pay every month. We go pay the money. Let them put them for grant first.
Very true. Oga Lawrence, we appreciate this
talk.
Thank you very much,
Oga Lawrence.
Madam Ijeoma, I'm going to come from this angle now. Sule from Kaduna, Polycarp from Enugu, Oga Lawrence from Lagos. Every angle when everybody carry the talk come from and say the way the things dey. But it got one interesting thing to note. Irrespective of how difficult the situation dey, Nigerian business people or Nigerians still they try their best to maintain one particular standard. Make we use Bube's pap for example. I know say make we talk say 2 years ago the way we say the economy dey is still dey the way the thing dey. Bube's pap dey sweet. Nkubi they don't enter now. You don't come be like say with the thing light no dey we know they see like eat trash they catch minister pikin road dey bad and all of those things. But Bube's pap still dey sweet. When we take Alfred, you go tell us wetin be that factor when make Nigerians using your business as an example to still irrespective of the challenges still they maintain that particular standard they go. Alfred, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Alfred.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, would they hear you? Talk to us.
I come from Ebeda.
Okay. Would they hear? Continue, Alfred. Would they hear?
This government issue, as they go, I know sure say this country is going to better direction.
So you want make we reverse now?
I say if they go reverse, it go better.
Okay, Oga Alfred, if you get the opportunity now as maybe business person and or person when the government won't get the power to put certain laws in place, what do you those things where you go put in place where you know say go give the economy an opportunity for people when they say that they do business?
Everybody go see the benefit from them.
At least first of all, that's what's happened for this country. Now, everybody else to go focus on that 4 years. Now, see what happen. Even hawkers self no fit survive again. So they manage to take for Lagos say why even they self for people to start thing. I walk. People like one and the other this thing they now. If you any trade now, all these things they call them. These new people they wear green uniform. So they catch people hawkers. I don't talk outside. They hawkers. Most of them I don't think they like what they do. Because of say no job. I make them they do that to take survive for the main time.
So Oga Alfred, basically what you talk say government suppose do everything when they go do to use ensure say those wey wan do business go do business. No be say they go dey do business they wait say God when rain go fall. Quick one, we go rush enter inside small break. When we go this break, come back, our ogbonge visitor go answer the question when I ask about say, even though it be like say things don't red now, and the economy be like say the thing get K-leg, people when they do business, still they try and maintain that standard. Using her business, Bube's food, she go tell us what it be that thing when be the wow factor. If you don't want to talk everything finish, make you no be like say she they give expo. Because those of us when they do business, that's what we do.
For a break,
those of us that do business, we don't share all our secrets.
Let's go for the
Baba Jebu businessman, Lotto. Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. Ezugwu Chukwudi and Nkubi and our ogbonge visitor, Madam Ijeoma of Bube's Foods, they inside studio. And when they discuss Naija economy, hope they for business people. If you check what people when call us for different parts of Nigeria don't talk, it's very, very obvious. Say, as a government, as a people, as Nigerians, we must do more to use ensure say this difficult situation when we do so we come up from her. People don't talk, say we'll stop to the blame. Maybe they put this when we go move this our country forward. But I mean, ask one question before we go break. Irrespective of everything when they happen, despite all the whole left and right jab when we say the economy they give Nigerians, people when they do business still they determine they still they do and they go. We go ask our ogbonge visitor, wetin be that thing when make Nigerians still they look say I go still do this business, my standard no go drop, I go they do and they go, I go they give people the best.
Now you don't use the word determined, determination. It has nothing to do with whether they make that kind of money. Let me not say make money, because if you don't make it, how you want to survive. So, like I always say to people, either which way, some people go fold up. Some people go survive. So let us strive. Make we try be among the people who go survive. So that if government decide, come here, all these plenty advice, bring the power, bring this one, you go be among the select few that it will be easier to bounce back up, you know, unlike say you go start from beginning again.
Yes.
Hope day. Long term,
Long term.
Long term.
But then...
Who could be long term?
Hold on, please.
Talking about the... No, excuse me. It's the date. The date that we have been asking you people for. 5,000, no date. 5,000, no date. 5,000, where's my 5,000 that you promise those of us that are jobless? Where's our 5,000?
Respect yourself.
Where's our 5,000?
They don't bash me, don't fear.
Where's our 5,000?
They don't bash me.
Where's our 5,000?
Let me ask
Give us a date.
Okay, give you date.
Yes.
Are you...
Long term. Where's long term?
Let me ask my question, young man. We don't even respect the guests who get
now until next World Cup,
okay,
before business go begin the peak.
A quick one. You don't talk about look, we'll bring them down from waiting you be talk and before we start the collect calls, say okay, say government needs to be involved as in make them extra, say they also support the system. We also hear waiting people don't talk, going by fact say challenges and the various problems we don't do on ground. We also bring this away just talk now, say okay, determination. If we join all these things together, your blessing are still one angle, everything they do it in, they focus on, and which is the government angle. How will we take collectively as a people, say, okay, government, make we ensure say this thing work, wait on our feed, make we hold them responsible, accountable, so okay, see our problem, may not find solution to them. But before we go bring them, before we go answer them, may we collect this call. Good morning. Naya, good morning.
Social material, but big long. You will succeed in anything you do. You see, Nkubi, you yourself, you have started diversifying yourself. You promised us when this government started that we are going to enjoy everything. Now, I don't know what you are saying.
But Madam Naya, still relax. I mean, I get faith, I get hope.
Just like your people.
How?
Diversifying. In fact, the economy of today, in fact, it's worth talking about. You will go out in the morning, you will come back the way you left the house. How can you subsidize money for people who are going to enjoy their sex? While people who are going to do business, bringing in and paying tax, the interest of the country, are buying the dollar in a very high rate. While people who are going just to enjoy their sex are being subsidized for. It's not good. It's very, very bad. Why would you reduce the money for them? They should buy it in that reason. You promised us at the beginning that you are not going to pay for anybody's Hajj. You are not going to lavish money on people who are traveling to Hajj and other things.
Yes.
But today, what is happening? Businessmen today can, in fact, go to Apapa Port. People are no more going there. Hold up is no longer there. It's just because of the bad road. But before, we know how it used to be. So this present government should stop blaming the past government. If they are here to correct things, they should just do their corrections and keep quiet. We don't have light. We don't have roads. We don't have anything. The subsidy, they have even removed it. The subsidy that they removed the other time, we are crying, hey, what subsidy? Look at the one. This one is worse than the previous one. So we are suffering now. Everybody is suffering. In fact, in Nasarawa State, let me just take it for an example. In Nasarawa State now, they are paying them in percentage. If you are collecting 35,000, they will pay you 3,500 naira. What is that? They said it's percent. They are paying you per percentage. I have a neighbor who died out of such a shock. So where are we going? They said they don't have money. What of the money they have been collecting? They have been realizing from probe.
Naya, you there? We go like get confirmation. This one
exactly. We just talk about
now the civil service for Nasarawa State, because I know say some people don't call on the federal government to declare state of emergency for the economy of Nasarawa State, but we go like get confirmation so that we go build on this particular story. And when we go like say, abeg, you go just drop your telephone number, call us back, drop your telephone number so that we will get the details, get the major people to come discuss this particular story because it's an important one. Thank you very much.
Going by the question we are asked, so it is that our own job to say, okay, we don't see so we get problem. If government no on their own part, no they do it in their how if we take hold them accountable, so okay, see what we want. This is what Nigerians want. Find a way to run.
We don't they hold government accountable for how long?
Would they hold them enough? I mean the question.
Which one be enough?
I mean, if we say would they hold them like this?
If person tell you something, you get deaf ear, you dey hear them now. I don't need to shout and make you know. You don't hear me as I tell you the economy bad, period. Do something about it. You understand, ba?
My tone said wrong.
No, not be matter of your tone coming down. Because I promise Nigerians that I will continue to speak out as a comrade, calling the attention of the people.
Me as a Nigerian will be, and as a loving Nigerian will be, I love the people. I believe we will also ensure things work out the way it's supposed to work out. Let's go ahead.
Which date? Go work out.
That is why
Rome was not built in a day. Rome was not built in a day, but Rome na land.
It's still in
the big foundation. They pour concrete. This particular Rome, we don't even know where is the land of this Rome.
Pipeline.
It's pipeline.
Where is the pipeline laid?
We shall. We will do this. We shall do this. We shall do this. We will do this. We shall do this. We shall do this.
Respect our guests.
Respect our guests. That is also looking at the business. Bube's pap. I know say me. I like the pap. I they like
Buyer. You like pap.
Which pap you like?
I like Akamu.
Your mouth don't even be like who even like pap.
It don't do you.
Your mouth don't be like who like pap.
I've got
you look like somebody that. You look like a guy drinker.
Even Nkubi no like pap. You go buy Bube's strawberry pap.
Thank you. Oh my God.
The vanilla one.
Vanilla.
No, Chukwudi, you need to support his ministry. Just make you follow us, enjoy what we enjoy.
When be your next birthday?
What kind of a question is that? As a matter of fact, August, this month.
You can't even remember.
August 28th.
Economy don't do it, lost memory.
No. And at this month, my birthday.
It don't lost memory.
But we'll talk about that. We and Madam Ijeoma will talk about that one.
So maybe buy a Akamu for you now.
No, not really. Now you go serve as the main way.
But the way the economy don't go now, everybody go resort. But it go good make we tell Nigerians when they for house. Say the way we don't even discuss this matter today. The angle we carry and come from, it is very, very obvious. Say we know the problem and solution there to this particular problem. Now the good thing, not be like say the problem no get solution. Yeah, exactly. Solution there to the particular problem. But what we expect, like what our ogbonge visitor talk, say if you talk, so long as say the person no deaf, he don't hear you. The economy is bad. What will you do? Our president will be even talk and say Nigerians are suffering. If you talk say Nigerians are suffering, how? What will you do to help their condition? So it go good make those when we say the leaders, make them get clear cut out plan. Make it not be like say the thing when we talk for 1999, when we talk for 2003, when we talk for 2007, when we talk for 2011, when we talk for 2015. God forbid, say we go talk that thing for 2019. So it go very important. Make government when they enjoy the goodwill of the people, make them rise up to the occasion, do what they're supposed to do. Madam
Ijeoma, yes.
One year come if you want.
One year come.
We appreciate the fact say. We appreciate the fact say you carry waka come here, and we appreciate say even though business they do when you take day, you are another Nigerian.
You still they try to survive in the system. I mean, we thank you very much for coming.
Because you try well. We appreciate that. This one really shows that the business will grow.
Madam Ijeoma,
who could be end the show?
If first, no, thank you. Till tomorrow we'll go meet again. From me, Nkubi, I will say bye-bye. Thank you very much for coming.
You won't wound yourself. Go. I just have to stretch.
No, I need to
fall down.
I need to stretch.
You need to stretch what? To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.